Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is liability insurance. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is liability insurance. When you search what is liability insurance, the website page will be opened. You just click in this website liability insurance, what is and how does it work, and major types of liability insurance. When you click this website, the page will be opened of liability insurance. First of all, we discuss what is liability insurance. Liability insurance is an insurance that provided protection against claim resulting from injuries and damage to other people's or property. Liability insurance policies that legal cost and pay out the insured parties responsible for their fund legally liable in international damage and contractual liabilities and general not covered liability insurance policies. Unlike other types of insurance, liability insurance police insurance and that they are third parties and not policy holders. Key takeaways: liability insurance provide against of the claim resulting from of injuries and damage of people or property. Liability insurance cover legal cost and provide payout which is insured party would be founded liable provinces and covered include international damage, contract liabilities and criminal prosecution. Liability insurance is often required to the automotive insurance policies, product manufacturer and anyone who practices medicine or law. Personal liability, worker compensation and commercial liability are types of liability insurance. How liability insurance work? Liability insurance is a critical for those who are liable and the fault for injuries sustained and other people's or event of the insured party damage someone else's property. As such, liability insurance is also called third party insurance. Liability insurance does not cover international or criminal act even if you have to by insured party and the upfront legally responsible. Policies are taken often but you have to anyone who wants to the use and damage are not injuries. Policies protect both insurance and third parties are may be injured as the result of policyholder and international negligence. For instance, most of status required for the vehicle's owner has liability insurance under their automotive and insurance policies of the cover injury other people's are property damage and events of the accident. A product manufacturer and purchase product liability insurance is cover them and product or faulty cases damage of purchases. Another third party business owner may be a purchase liability insurance that cover the example of employer and insurance during to the business operation. The decision doctor of the surgeon and make sure while you are vehicle job also required liability insurance policies. Special consideration: personal liability insurance policies are purchased primarily by high net worth and individual. Of these are sizable assist and but they are types of coverage recommended to anyone with a network and extent of combined coverage. Of the cost of additional insurance policies does not appeal to everyone. Although most of carries of reduce the handled coverage package and personal liability insurance is considered to a secondary policy and may be required policyholder to carry certain limits their home and auto policies which may be result in additional expenses. Although commercial legal general liability insurance protect you against form of hassle, it is does not protect dictionaries and offer form of being secured. It does not protect you against error and omissions. Companies require special policies of these classes include error of omission liability insurance and error omission liability insurance policies cover lawsuit arising form of negligent professional services and following of performed professional duties. Lawyer, accountants, architecture, engineer and other business providing services at a client offices should purchase and home insurance of E&O policies does not cover criminal protection. Fundamental dishonest act and the client of against bodily injured and the insured homeowner and the covered of attorney fees, court cost and the supplemental of amount specified by the insurance contract. Director and officer D&O insurance. The type of policy protect director and officers of a large company against the legal judgment and cost of arising to the unlawful act, erroneous and investment decision, failure of the maintenance property, releasing confidential information, hiring and firing decision, conflict and interest process, negligence of other errors. Most of D&O policies excluded coverage fraud and criminal act. Premium depend on the company and location of the type and losses of experience. Types of liability insurance. There are different types of liability insurance: employees liability and worker compensation, productivity liability insurance, immediately liability. insurance.